The Rigvedic god Varuna was guardian of the cosmic order. Nivi, Paridhan, and Adivasa were the different types of garments of the Aryans. Panini, the first grammarian of Sanskrit language in India, lived during the 6th-5th century BC. The words Satyameva Jayate in the state emblem of India have been adopted from Mundak Upanishad. Are books on philosophy. The expounder of yoga philosophy was Patanjali. The great lawgiver of ancient times was Manu. The word Gotra occurs for the first time in Rigveda. Nyaya Darshan was propagated by Gautama. Ashtadhyayi was written by Panini.